I do this because I want to prove to the younger generation that you can follow your dreams and make it.
I'm doing this because I came from Cuba with nothing. I want to prove that I can go from nothing to something.
I do this for the people who call us starving artists.
I do this for the people that said that I can't, that we couldn't pursue the things that we want to pursue, and we're showing them that we can.
Why do I do anything that I love? And the reason is satisfaction. The answer is always satisfaction, and we attract the things that make us feel satisfied.
I do this for my happiness, and I do it for the people that's afraid to start over. There's nothing wrong with starting your life over. There's nothing wrong with picking back up off your feet and doing what makes you happy.
I do this because I want my children to feel the freedom to be inspired to create. I do this to build a legacy for myself and for my family.
I do this for those who looked at me as an amateur in my 18 years in this profession, and to show my kids that anything is possible. My name is Artist Jones, and we are here to disrupt.